where to find this hidden feature known as double pinch on your Galaxy Watch 7. I'll show you how to turn it on and how it works. While viewing the clock or the time of your watch, go ahead and swipe down like this and tap on the settings icon here. As you're in this section here now, you'll go down and you'll keep going down until you see buttons and gestures. Once in this section, go down some more and you'll see the gestures section, which is one of the new features. You'll select double pinch here, then go ahead and turn it on. And if you go down a little bit more, you will be able to try it to know if you did it correctly. So if you want, you can try it out, and it works for answering calls, dismissing alerts, launching apps, and controlling your music and taking photos. So when you try it here, you can go ahead and take this finger and that finger and pinch them together like a double pinch, but it's going to be a gentle double pinch. And if you do it correctly, you'll see that it's been done right. So it's 1, 2, and then it will tell you that you got it. Okay, so if it says you got it, I'll show you here now. Okay, so it's 1, 2, and it's going to tell you you got it if you did it correctly. And that's that.